Hello, good day. From Byte Breeze Insight Partners, I am Mentor in Chief Muhibul Muftadi. Welcome you for today's discussion. Today we will discuss about how satellite internet works, and throughout this discussion we will compare with broadband and mobile networks. Let's start our discussion. First of all, we will understand to know how satellite internet connects you or connects us. First of all, for connecting internet through the satellite in our home or in our office, we have to have as a dish antenna. So when our home or office dish sends our request to a satellite, this satellite in orbit catches the request and it sends the request to the ground station as the picture, and the ground station connects us or connects you to the internet, and the internet sends data back to the ground station again, and the satellite beams the data back to you or our dish, and in this way the satellite connect us to the internet. So it's a very simple. Uh, Next question: through the satellite internet, how it elevate our connection? Modern satellite internet uses vast network of satellites called constellations. This means that as one satellite moves, another is always ready to take over. So there are multiple constellations that ensure that seamless, low latency connection, no matter where you are. So through this way, we will be connected from space to internet. Now we will have a small look about the broadband internet connection. For the broadband internet connection, we have to have a hub. That internet starts at our provider's main hub. Throughout the picture, we are seeing the main hub. Then through cables or physical fiber cables or through coaxial cables, it connects us. Then it connects with the home router, and through the home router our broadband connection is ensured. Throughout the broadband connection, according to the picture, we observe that laptop, smart TV, mobile phone, anything can be connected. So our router, home router or office router, shares the internet with all our devices. So according to the pictures, the broadband internet is connected, it is ensured. Let's observe the mobile internet. How does it works? It's also simple. In order to connect with the mobile internet, we have to have mobile phone or mobile devices that sends a wireless signal to the nearest cell tower, and the cell tower connects to a large mobile backbone network, and it connects us or connects you to the global internet. So data comes back again the same wireless to throughout the mobile devices, and through the mobile devices, our any devices like smart TV, like laptop, like desktop computer can be connected when our mobile devices ensure the hotspot. So this is the very simple organogram flow, network flow, how mobile internet is connected. Now we will observe the quick comparison, satellite, internet, broadband, and mobile. How it does work? We already observed that actually satellite internet is ensured through the via satellite in space, broadband through the physical cables, and mobile 4G or 5G is wireless. Speed is moderate to fast. It is EO. Broadband is usually very fast, and mobile is good to very fast. It depends on the connectivity. Latency for the satellite is usually higher to low. Broadband latency is very low. When latency is very low, that means internet connectivity is very good. And for the mobile, it's low to moderate. For the mobile data, the latency is not very good always. Availability near universal. Everywhere the availability is ensured. Limited where infrastructure is available for the broadband, there the availability is ensured. And for the mobile, where towers exist, mobile towers exist, there the mobile network exists. For the mobility, for the mobility, dish antenna is required for the satellite. For the broadband, it is fixed, and for the mobile network, it is for the mobile devices is required. And satellite internet is actually best for the remote areas of grid areas. Broadband is urban areas where the heavily uses connectivity exists, and mobile is where the smartphones connectivity ensure that the mobile internet is available. And here's a quick pros and cons. Pros of the satellite internet is it is available anywhere, connects virtually globally. Remote essential is pros, and cons is actually higher delay and weather can be impactful for the satellite internet. And pros for the broadband connection is fastest speed, high reliable, and cons is actually need physical infrastructure, and fixed location not for mobile use is the cons. And for the mobile internet, truly portable connection is the only pros, and cons is actually in rural or remote areas availability might not be available, and often comes with monthly caps. There might be caps of the limitation in the mobile internet. So we just learned how satellite internet works. We learned the small comparison between the satellite internet, broadband, and mobile networks, and we can make a hypothesis that actually, ultimately, the best internet connection depends on where you are and how you use the web, and whether it's the widespread reach of satellite, the blazing speed of broadband, or the freedom of mobile. Understanding each option helps you pick the perfect fit for staying connected in today's digital world. So this was from ByteBreeze Insight Partners. Uh, Keep in touch with us. Thank you.